Today's top news, 15th April. Delhi imposes weekend curfew as COVID-19 cases rise. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced that weekend curfew will be imposed in the national capital aimed at a rise in COVID-19 cases. Kejriwal said that malls, gyms, spas and auditoriums will remain closed, adding that there is no shortage of hospital beds in Delhi. Delhi reported 17,282 COVID-19 cases on Wednesday. It's the highest single-day rise since the pandemic began. Night curfew was extended to 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. in Noida, Lucknow and 8 other UP districts. Uttar Pradesh government announced that the night curfew hours have been extended to 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. in 10 districts with more than 2,000 active coronavirus cases. Kumbh Mela not being cut short, official as Haridwar reports 2,000 COVID-19 cases in 5 days. The Kumbh Mela at Haridwar in Uttarakhand will continue as there is no information of it being curtailed, said Kumbh Mela officer and Haridwar district magistrate Deepak Rawat on Wednesday. Haridwar has registered 2,167 new COVID-19 cases in last 5 days. Over 13.5 lakh people took a dip in Ganga on Wednesday, which marked the Baisakhi festival. Migrant labourers leave Pune after new restrictions in Maharashtra. According to a report, migrant labourers continue to leave the city and the Pune railway station witnessed chaos on Wednesday, a day after new restrictions were announced by Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Over 1.28 crore COVID-19 vaccinations done during Tika Utsav in India. A total of 1.28 crore COVID-19 vaccinations were administered to people of eligible groups across India during the Tika Utsav, said Union Health Ministry today. Haryana government cancels Class 10th board exams, postpones Class 12th board exams. Haryana Education Minister today said that the Class 10 board exams were cancelled and Class 12 board exams were postponed with the line with CBSE's decision. Class 10 students will be evaluated based on internal assessment, he further added. 2,588 people fined for not wearing masks in Delhi, aimed rising COVID-19 cases in the national capital. Delhi police fined 2,588 people for not wearing masks on Wednesday. Zomato CEO complains after Swiggy delivering post 8 p.m. in Mumbai, police certifies. Zomato CEO called out their competition Swiggy for delivering food orders after 8 p.m. in Mumbai, which is under partial lockdown. Kindly read the government notification. It says deliveries allowed after there is no time limit specified, Mumbai police clarified. Thank you, and that's all for today.